Hey guys, this is Cupcake Kangaroo, and today we're going to be doing What's Inside the Box Challenge! Woo, 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 woo.
Comment down below if you know what this fish is from. I didn't.
I told her. Yeah. And she's Sarah.
Hello.
And you know me as Cupcake Kangaroo. And so basically how it works is so we'll put their hands inside the box and guess what it is, but the other person gets to choose what it is, and we can't look at the camera oh, what is that? We have to have a blindfold on. So yeah. Wait. I've seen it inside the box challenge before, but here's the thing. I think that they can see what's in the box. Okay. Well, anyways, who's going first? Rock, paper, scissors.
I'm gonna go first if I win.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Get wrecked.
My beautiful nails. Oh, you can't even see them.
Okay,
we're
we're
gonna with Sharpie while you
I'm
were
gonna throw them gum
upstairs.
So I'll be right back. Because we're not allowed to throw away gum. And you want to throw away your gum too?
Yeah.
We're just gonna film. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. And basically we're gonna have it on our lap. I'll go get a sleeping mask.
Sorry.
Here's one.
I woke up.
Do you like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch one?
I woke up at 1 p.m. today.
Or the llama one?
Because
We'll do both. We'll do both.
No,
No, we can do both.
I want to start with the llama.
Okay.
Wait, do I get to pick the food or do I get to?
The other person gets to pick it. I'm gonna do. Let me try them on. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is like that. And llama is like that. I'm gonna go with llama.
Me too. Okay.
Okay.
Do I just grab something?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Just put it inside the box.
Does it have to be a food item?
Yes.
Okay.
Here, put it inside the box.
Oh yeah, I need the box.
And I'll stop it and I'll have these on. It's filming now. Put it on
How
my.
many fingers am I holding up?
I don't know. Okay, put it on my lap. Sunscreen?
Oh yes.
Okay, 1 point for me. Okay. My braid ponies got messed up, but I'm at 1 point. And what's the prize?
You said you were choosing it. I don't know yet.
Oh yeah, I know it. Okay,
Wait,
now.
did you show them already?
No.
Okay. You should.
Okay, I'll be right back. I got my food on my head.
I'm just gonna do this until I hear her coming up. I'm gonna put it down now.
No, it's right here.
Is it you?
Okay, put your blindfold on.
It is.
Perfect. Okay. Just gonna place this on your lap.
These are
You can't taste it, by the way.
these are they're the cheddar kangaroos. Or bunnies. Cheddar bunnies.
Wrong.
What are they?
Goldfish.
You don't feel like I got a deep. That's why I didn't think it was a goldfish, because it's woody. Here,
Okay.
let me do like a
We are
beauty.
I'm gonna put this back.
Look, see, it's a little woody, so I got that one.
Do you want to eat this?
Yes.
Okay.
So I thought that it was like, you know,
Here you
a
can
cheddar
have
bunny.
this. Yay, food. Okay. I'm gonna go with the llama one again. Obviously.
Okay.
Do you know what you're getting?
No.
Oh, then I have to pause the camera because she doesn't know what she's getting.
She said that she knows what she's getting, but I don't know. So I hope that she's not getting something really weird, like, I hope she's not gonna get, like, peanut butter crackers. That would be so hard, except I can smell it. It's just gonna be so easy, I guess. Oh, want to be entertained?
Oh, what? Okay.
Got it.
Guys. Okay. Can I have it?
Yeah. 1 sec. Oh, I dropped it.
You did?
Yeah. Just let me grab it.
What did I grab? Okay. I know. Is it my stuffy narwhal?
Which one?
My blue one?
Yes.
Can you guys see it? That's so cool. Okay. My turn.
Okay.
I don't know. I know what I'm getting. It's goldfish.
It's Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah, you can eat it. I'll be right back, guys. I know what I'm getting, so you don't have to. Wait, I need the box. You don't have to.
Let me show you
pause
guys.
it.
Here's what Buzz Lightyear looks like. Sorry, I'm so amazed by this. Another reminder, guys. Go comment down below if you know what this fish is from. It's got a mouth here, 3 eyes. That's what it looks like. I knew. I didn't know, though, at first, so tell me. Are you coming? Is that you, May?
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Now, let's put this on your lap.
Oh, that's another thing. Can I smell it? That's dog food.
Yep!
Oh my god, I hate that smell. Okay, wait, let me show. Ew.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it back in the dog bowl. Okay, we're recording too. Okay, I'm going to put this back, and we'll be right back.
Ugh. definitely think she won. Alexa. Hello.
Hello, and good evening.
It's me. It's me.
To make a profile with your name, download the Alexa app.
I was wondering if after all these years you like for me to go over everything.
I'm not sure.
Wait, are you back like with another box?
Yeah.
Do I put my thing?
No, you have to.
Oh, yes.
Find me and I Thank you. Sorry, guys, you were staring at that thing for so long. And go ahead. Oh, and to entertain you guys, yeah, I'll play the piano.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you. What's this? Okay, do you guys like...
Careful, not to spill it.
To spill it?
What does it smell like?
Not dog food.
No.
Wait, is it edible?
No.
What is it? Is it rocks?
Yeah.
I licked it. I licked rocks.
Okay.
Can you put these back?
Yes.
Guys, well, she puts it back. No. Okay. You guys love that music video. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and we'll see you all next time. And don't forget to subscribe and bye. I already won, but since I won, I get she's not here anymore, so I guess I get $1 from her, and so she'll give me in a different video, okay?